Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you the basics of a constructor. Well, let's begin. In order to make a constructor, type in public, your class name, which mine is tutorial, and you open close parentheses, and make sure you have your curly braces. It's like a method basically. And then type a code what you want to appear inside the constructor. Let's say this should run like a method. Alright, we're done with the constructor so far. So, in order to make it appear in main, remember, Java reads what is only inside of main, not outside. So therefore, we have to make an object in order to make this code appear. So type in tutorial, make your variable t equals new tutorial. Alright, we're done with here. Yeah, we're done right here because we don't have to do this right here. That's not necessary because we already have it declared right here. Because look, tutorial parentheses. Alright, we should run this. That's what it's basically doing with the object. So let's save that. Java C, Java. This should run like a method. See? You don't have to do this right here, remember. If you have a constructor and make an object for that, then it's done. Alright, well now let's make like a method. So void, let's do ants. Alright, for this one you have to make this right here, ants. And let's run something inside of it. Hi. Alright, so now let's save this. And Java C, Java. This should run like a method. Hi. Oh, now let's do something. Let's put something inside the constructor. Let's say string m. We want to return something basically. Let's make another variable on top of the constructor. String m2. Alright. So now let's say, alright, m is equivalent to m2. So let's say right here. Alright, since you make this as a method, or not a method, a string, we have to type what's like inside of this parentheses. It can be it has to be a string basically. But if you had like something else like byte, int, should be a number. But for this tutorial, we're gonna do string. So let's do Key West. Let's say hi, or let's do M2. Alright, so what we did so far, we made a variable declared inside the constructor. Alright, and this will be equivalent to M2, which is the variable over here. And then this keyword right here, or the string you type in here, will replace this, and it will return back to M, and it will be equivalent to M2, and then it'll be saying hi Key West. So let's save that. Java C, Java. Hi, no. Uh, let's switch this around. Save. Hi Key West. Alright, so this is important though. If you have N2 here, and M here, then it'll be saying no because remember, Java reads what's like. Let me rephrase that. Java reads from left to right, so it'll say no, of course. To prevent that problem, you switch up the variables and it won't say no. It'll say Key West, like you see here, Key West. So it's pretty neat. Like if you have multiple constructor, so T2, new tutorial, to New York, and then you have to make another one T2 ants. And we say hi Key West and hi New York. See, hi Key West and hi New York. See, it saves time. Like if you have something similar like this and you want to type multiple times, like Key West and New York, then a constructor will be good for your usage in Java. Well, this concludes my tutorial over constructors, or the basics of it, I mean. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next tutorial, and subscribe. Thank you.